to develop skills through which they'll be clear as what they have to do in future. So once again, on behalf of the Sunbeam Women's College Varuna, I take this opportunity to welcome you, ma'am. Looking forward to have a wonderful session. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All right. That was a really warm welcome. Thank you so much, Dr. Shalini and
Welcome,
Dr.
ma'am.
Nilanjana. And a very good morning to all of you students. Come on, I know you're all on mute, but you can always just show me a smile or wave. Hi, good morning. All right, that's lovely. 32 teeth set. All right, brilliant. Okay, so the idea of this webinar or a workshop mode in a webinar form primarily is, like Dr. Shalini said, that we are all looking at, there's too much of confusion in life. COVID-19 hit us, the economy, the GDP, the job market, the scenario around your mental health, your physical health, a lot of tensions because you're all the time, it's like a sword hanging on the head. You do not know what's going to happen next. We're not sure what's happening. Youngsters, of course, enjoying. I can see my daughter also enjoying at home. They're all liking the break, I guess. But then there is a lot of dilemma on what is next. What's the future? What is going to happen? So, let me tell you one thing. The biggest thing or the best thing and the minimum thing which you can do for your own lives is get geared up. Hone certain skills which will help you go through this crisis and evolve yourself as better personalities. Very important. We keep hearing all across the job market is down, we are not too sure, internships not available. What happens next? Survival of the fittest. So if survival of the fittest has to happen, we have to ensure हमारी skills absolutely upgraded होनी चाहिए. So you have to ensure कि इस crisis को encash करना है. Don't just while away time, killing time कि आज का tick लग गया. Do something constructive for the whole day, align yourself, manage your time well, have fun. I'm not stopping you to do that. But meanwhile, also get into the model of upgrading yourself in skills, right? Are we all on sync? A smile would do the needful. Okay, lovely. Wonderful. So let's get going. Let us understand. I'm representing an industry which is into image consulting. Of course, I'll explain what is an image management, what is soft skills. I will be talking about it. Idea is not just to pitch our courses. Idea is not just to promote our industry. Idea is to tell you how this industry will make you all benefit irrespective of the careers you end up in. I'm sure आप लोग सब third year students हैं, कोई BCom कर रहा है, कोई BSc कर रहा है, you will और कोई BA भी कर रहा होगा. So you will realize किसी ने economics में specialization करनी है, किसी ने commerce में आगे जाना है, कोई CA बनेगा, कोई अपने passions को लेगा. I don't even know, maybe कोई singer निकले. I have no idea what is your future plan of action, but you all have to gear up to be absolutely effective, strong, and launch yourself well. So I'll explain in this webinar, I will explain you how my industry is going to help you. One. Second point of agenda, I'll also give you some tips on interview skills. Little tips, just for you all to understand, put it in your mindset, because you all know, आपने अभी post-graduation level के courses के लिए निकलना है. Post-graduation level के courses के लिए, there are multiple times when you all have to face an interview also. So little tips which will come handy. Some people, of course, will get into the model of getting into jobs, eventually internships. So I'll give you small little tips on these parameters. And of course, I will tell you how ICPI as a company can help you. So Nilanjana, if I can request, if my presentation can be shared.
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the screen.
Yes, ma'am. You can start sharing your presentation.
All lovely. Just allow me a second, guys. Okay. So is the presentation visible? Nilanjana, you could confirm, please, because rest are all on mute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So let me welcome you all to a webinar wherein you will evolve thinking what all is important to become more successful in life. Moving further, understand that we are getting into the model. Do we all believe in a single parameter that image is you in the mind of others? This is a fact of life. Your image, think what I'm saying. Your image is you in the mind of others. And we all agree also that in the first few seconds of people meeting us, we form an image. क्या होता है? हम लोगों से मिलते हैं. Human behavior इस तरीके का है कि आप human behavior के चलते automatically you make an opinion about others. Wrong, right, ठीक है, नहीं ठीक है, morality wise it's good, ethics it's good, I don't know. So keep the ethics on one side. We have to figure out that human behavior works in a manner that we form an opinion about anybody and people make opinion about us within few seconds of us meeting them. Ultimate goal is to be successful. We all don't want to be successful, right? You know, success is a very relative term. Success for some could be, hey, I'm doing well and I've topped graduation. Success for some could be, I sing well, I paint well, I'm able to take my passions on board. Somebody, the success could be, hey, I'm proving to be a great daughter for my mom. For somebody, the success could be, hey, I'm rising higher and I'm getting my streams beautifully in post-graduation and my career is streamlined. For a thief, a success is stealing on that day. Success is very, very relative. I want to know from some of you, what is the first step to be successful? You could be wrong, you could be right. Unmute some people, Nilanjana. I want to hear what could be the first step to success. First step successful hone ke liye kya cheez hai?
Okay.
Come on, shoot. One word answer. No sentences. One word answers. Shoot.
Iksha,
Ma'am, be
To
confident.
Confidence. Okay. I heard confidence. What else?
to get oriented,
To get
to get disciplined in our life.
discipline. All right. What else?
Take initiative.
Initiative taking
Oriented.
skills. Orientation.
Ma'am, to know ourselves.
To
Know ourselves.
know ourselves. Beautiful.
Be dedicated.
All right. So brilliant. Thank you so much. So I have dedication. I have confidence. I have orientation. I am disciplined in life. I know myself well. I'm passionate about things. Thank God, you know, in my last workshop, I remember somebody telling me network and money to be the first step of being successful. Anyways, that was just on the Lord side. But tell me honestly, if I have all of these, does that guarantee success? No, it doesn't. Nothing in this life guarantees success. But I want the answer coming from you only. So I'll give you a situation. So imagine, Nilanjana, do they have societies in the college?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
ma'am. We
right.
have clubs. We have clubs running.
Okay, so you have certain science clubs, because I noticed some notification coming which said you were doing certain on the science club, on the art club, and so on and so
Yes,
forth. So
ma'am.
imagine you are all eyeing for, there is a president post for a science club or an art club or an economic society, I don't know. And there is a president position which comes out, okay? All people who are technically strong, they are good about the subject, they know the knowledge, technically very, very strong on their content set. So some of them apply for becoming a president of the society because they feel they are go-getters and they'll be able to sail through, right? Demand and supply, some of you must have read through. What happens? So there is an interview for which we'll have to select a person as the president of Commerce Society. How does the selection happen? As an interviewer, say your director is sitting here, you know, we are all experts. When we all take interviews, we all sit with straight face as if we're going to eat up somebody. Okay, no expressions. Let me tell you, no expressions on the face at all. You will not be able to judge anything from our faces. We are sitting in a room wherein the people have to walk in. You all have to walk in and the first student walks in. Random name, Gitika. So Gitika walks in. If there is a Gitika in the forum, I'm not pointing out to you. It's just a random name. So Gitika walks in. the interviewer looks at her. Human behavior, ethics on one side. So इसलिए अभी moralities की बात नहीं करेंगे, हम सिर्फ human behavior की बात करेंगे. The person walks in. What is the first thing which starts striking the mind of an interviewer? Will the person gel into my team? ये क्या पूरे team members और society को control कर पाएगा? Will she have an authority कि सब इस लोगों की इसकी सुनेंगे? First impression, अरे नहीं यार, बहुत sloppy है, मजा नहीं आया. First impressions अच्छे create नहीं हुए. So what will be my thought process? Chalo, let's see. This is all what I'm thinking in my mind as an interviewer. I tell the person, in my mind, no good first impressions made, and I tell the person, sure, so we'll get in touch with you, Gitika, all the very best. You will know the results soon. She walks out, and then I have another person walking in. So Shalini walks in. What happens? She walks in, and my mind starts ticking again. I start looking at her, and I create a first impression about the lady. And what if I feel, yes, she is one persona who can actually do very well? Tell me, what happens next? I start asking questions. I'm interested in her. Maybe I'll ask some easy questions so that I can justify my selections tomorrow. I have no idea. I'm an interviewer. Now, when I'm asking questions, what did I do to the first person जिनका impression अच्छा नहीं बना था, उनसे मैंने क्या snatch किया और मैंने क्या दिया दूसरे person को क्योंकि उनका first impression अच्छा बना था? I want some answers coming from you. Nilanshana, open some mutes.
Opportunity.
Bang on. Who was that? Tell me your name.
Mansi.
Mansi, you're brilliant. Opportunity in life is the first step to be successful. A clap for you. Brilliant. Now, understand, you must get a chance to do something in order to be successful. कितनी बार होता है हम बोलते हैं यार मैं presentation बहुत अच्छा लेती हूँ, damn मुझे chance ही नहीं मिलता. मैं acting बहुत अच्छी करती हूँ लेकिन आज तक मेरे को किसी festival में participate करने का chance ही नहीं मिला. हम बोलते हैं ना हमेशा. So you need to get a chance to do something, but alone a chance is not good enough. When you get that chance, you need to perform. This needs to happen together, simultaneously. I'll give you an example. I don't know how many girls out of you are interested in cricket, you know, but I must share this with you. Vinod Kambli, yesteryear's cricketer, and of course Sachin Tendulkar. I remember when they were kids, brilliant cricketers. Vinod Kambli used to have a better strike rate than Sachin Tendulkar. Dono bahut achhe, capable, excellent qualities. They get a chance to represent the country in Ranji Trophy. What happens? They go to Ranji Trophy. Vinod Kambli is out on a duck. And Sachin Tendulkar makes a century. Rest is history. We know what happened. So remember, जब chance मिलता है, तब perform करना बहुत जरूरी है life में. They go hand in hand. If I move forward and explain you that how does it work? How do you create your first impressions? Appearance management is all about creating first impressions to get that opportunity, which Mansi also mentioned to us. And performance is done if your soft skills are in place. Appearance management, simple logic. आप समझ लीजिए appearance, as the word indicates, it is about clothes, it is about grooming, it is about body language and your etiquette and mannerisms. आज की डेट में कभी भी आपका first impression, ethically as I said मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन human beings एक दूसरे को देख करके होता है ना, हम हमेशा बोलते हैं हम, you know, have you ever seen your mom going to a vegetable vendor? Why I said mom is because I'm not too sure if you guys are buying vegetables or not. So we go to a vegetable vendor, we look at that person और ना ऐसे face बनाती है, यार ये ना शक्ल से ही लग रहा है ये मुझसे high prices लेने वाला है. अब शक्ल से कैसे लगता है high prices लेने वाला है, I don't know. He's not even opened his mouth, he's not spoken anything, but we've made an opinion. चल यार दूसरी shop पे चलते हैं. You know, this happens because we create impressions about people all the time. So appearance management is about clothes, grooming, body language. What is soft skills? Can anybody tell me what is soft skills? Nilanjana, if you could help us.
Ma'am, the way we communicate with people.
Brilliant. Communication. What else?
Employable skills.
Absolutely. Employability skills, which
Ma'am,
are
leadership
Personality.
leadership. Excellent. What else?
Ma'am, personality.
Personality in totality. Okay. Granted. What else?
The way of expressing ourselves.
Absolutely. So understand the way of expressing yourself is again your communication skills. So if I go on and on in terms of soft skills, let us understand leadership skills. You know, a leader could be a class monitor. A leader could be a coordinator or a counselor in your school or a college. Leader could also be a person who's the director, chairman. A leader is also a CEO. A leader is also a person who moves the society. So leader is a very specific term. It could be relative to multiple people in various portfolios and profiles. Stress. मम्मा बहुत टेंशन हो रही है, एग्जाम है, क्योंकि पढ़ाई हम 2 दिन पहले कर रहे हैं, बहुत टेंशन है, स्ट्रेस हो गया है. How to manage stress? If you have played team games, what happens in a game of or in sports which are basketball? Unless the team performs, a lone standalone person or a player can do nothing in a game which is a team game. Same goes with the class in the colleges. Motivation skills, interpersonal relation. How am I with other people? How am I with the other classmates? Are they happy with me? Are they depressed with me? Do they wish to negotiate in our life? The phones and the computers के लिए negotiation करते हैं. Or COVID times where I've even seen my daughter negotiating with me to move out of the house. Well, she never succeeded in that, but well, negotiations happen across all the time. Managing conflicts, body language, vocal and verbal communication. All these make soft skills. You know, it is very important to understand that you need to look the part. I'll explain. When you look the part, you feel the part. Eventually, you act the part, you act accordingly, and you become the part. So what is image management? It is inside out. आप जो अंदर से हैं, जो आपकी personality है, आप उसको correctly project करिए outside. That is what you need to do in your life all the time, just to achieve your future goals and personal goals. So let us understand the basic mantra of life. You know, it is not important which career you are going into. You could become a lawyer, you could become a chartered accountant, a company secretary, a managerial position, you could get into a professorship, you could get into marketing, HR, you could get into any kind of a role. Remember, these rules which I'm sharing with you today are relevant in all professions which we are talking about. So appearance, behavior, and communication. Can anybody tell me what is the D? Can anybody attempt? You could be wrong. What is the D of image management? Can anybody attempt? Come on, you are youngsters. I need this answer from you. D stands for what? Some people open your mutes and tell me if there is an answer.
It should be dreams.
Dedication.
Dedication, dreams. Think like a youth. क्या करते हो पूरे दिन बैठ करके आप अपने बेड पे आजकल? D stands for what?
Determination.
Determination. All right. What else?
Doing.
All right. So you're surprised. D stands for digital media. Digital footprint. ये हमेशा जिंदगी में properties और characteristics नहीं होती personality की. That's why I said think like a youth. All the time you're on the phone, right? Social media is absolutely मेरी आज की डेट में Instagram पे ये होना चाहिए, story पे होना चाहिए, Snapchat पे होना चाहिए. When I talk about Facebook, everybody says, oh, that's a passe. Youth talks about the rest of the apps. Well, appearance, behavior, communication, and digital footprint. I'll explain what is the connotation, what is the importance of all these. Power of personal appearance, very important. Okay, so no marks for guessing, but if I give you a choice, would you like to eat a salad which looks like this, or would you like to eat a salad which looks like that down picture? Naturally,
above
you
one.
all say the salad which is more fresh, green, has colors, doesn't look stale, looks classy, presentation is good. That's the top picture. If I ask you, you're a woman, you're a girl in a lonely area trying to look for a taxi. Two drivers stop by. Which taxi out of the two will you take? Will you hire this guy or will you hire this guy? Naturally, some people will say we would refuse both of them. But if you have to make a choice out of the two, naturally the person who's more uniformed, proper, body language is correct, doesn't look like a Yankee Doodle, he's the one you would actually end up choosing. If I tell you, out of these three ladies or girls here, you are a leader or a senior in your college, you have to delegate one of the team members out of your team for a sudden and critical meeting with a senior client, or you have to meet somebody who's coming and representing and coming to your college. Say one of the ministers is coming or one of the chairmen is coming, a judge is coming, you have to meet them. Out of the three, which person would you choose? 1, 2, or 3?
2.
Right?
Two.
Now understand, why did we do this? And what did you actually just do in out of the three images? You formed an impression. Whether it was a salad, whether it was a driver, whether it was choosing a particular client or choosing a particular team member for a particular purpose, you formed an impression. If I tell you today that if these two, more callously dressed and more dressed like for a little social do, even if these two girls were more capable than the first one, because they were not looking the part, they had a price to pay. Nuksan ho gaya. Kyun? Kyunki I was not looking the part. Looking the part, I will explain you in a while. Look at him. Kya feeling aati hai? What feeling do we get when we look at Amitabh Bachchan in this form? Abby. Tell me, what is the feeling you're getting looking at Amitabh Bachchan right now?
He's looking like some goon and a rogue person.
Absolutely. Rogue. Very rowdy. Looking like a goon, as you said. Angry. Aggressive. Not neat. Now, if the same person you see in this form, what happens? Grace.
Well,
Yes, please. You were saying
well
something.
mannered.
Very well mannered. Perfect body language. That
Looking
Grace
like
is
a total gentleman.
Absolutely, Shika. So what happens is that a picture which earlier was of the same personality to a picture which changed into this personality, everything changed because of his clothes, grooming, gesture, expressions, and mannerisms. Very important in life. You project a winning image when there are 4 A's. Remember, in life, there is a 4A rule. First rule, appropriate. What is appropriate? When you dress. So image management is not about dressing and becoming stylish, glamorous. Fashion parade nahi hai. It's not a fashion parade. It is dressing as per your roles and goals. What is the occasion? What is your role? What is your goal? Say in your college, your mom and your parents are coming to meet the professor in a PTM, parent professor meeting or something like that. Their whole demeanor would be different. If your parents are coming in the same college as a judge, their demeanor would be entirely different. So it is as per your roles, goals, occasions. Authentic. I'm not asking anybody to fake. आपकी जो अंदर की characteristics हैं, physical characteristics, personal characteristics, they need to be very authentic. You need to portray, project exactly the way you are. Attractive. Attractive is not a word which means beautiful. Attractive means according to what our body shape is, according to what our face shape is, attiring yourself correctly. And fourth is affordable. Anything which you buy should suit your pocket. It's not important to rush to designers. I'm sorry. आप एक local shop पे जा करके कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं जो आपके rest of the A's को match करता है. So in life, remember 4 A's: authenticity, appropriation, attractiveness, affordability. ये rule है जिंदगी भर का आपके लिए, irrespective of the professions and the careers you all get into. Just to give you a simple example of what I'm trying to say, there are 4 levels. I'm not going into details, but I'm just giving you an example for you all to relate. So there are 4 layers of clothing always in life. Level 1, when you wear your tees, round neck tees. Level 2, when you get a little more formal on your collars. लेकिन एक जैकेट होता है. Then fourth is level 4, when you wear everything which is matched suit. Naturally, level 4 is the most formal. Level 3 is formal, authoritative, yes, yet a casual mix, something what I am wearing today. Level 2, when you are going for a formal kind of an occasion, or there is an interest wherein as a youngster you're going for something where you don't have to add a jacket. Level 1 is primarily going for a picnic, college, any kind of a gathering. Are we all clear? Great. The smile says it all. Now, understand that what happens if the clothes are not right. And why am I explaining all this? We give a lot of emphasis to clothes. I'll give you a reason why. Imagine you get up in the morning, you dress up, you're going to the college, you're moving out. Suddenly your brother says, hey, Dee, what's happened today? Are you in a glum mood? आज mood off है क्या? बड़े sad से लग रहे हो? पूरा दिन कैसा जाता है? Irrespective of what you're wearing, the whole day, oh damn, I'm not looking good. I think I'm not confident today. Well, क्या? Why did he say this? आप कॉलेज में घुसते हो, आपको सेम रिमार्क्स मिलते हैं अपने फ्रेंड से. The whole day goes, क्या कुछ गड़बड़ है? आज I'm not responding very well. I'm not concentrating into what I'm supposed to do because somehow confidence level is less. Suddenly in the similar situation, opposite. You're moving out of the house, your dad says, hey, you're looking very smart today. Are you going for an interview? Do you have something special in your college? How does the day go? Super! You're feeling good. You might even click 2 selfies before going. You move on, reach the college, feeling good, happy, smile on the face. It is a very, very natural phenomenon. So low self-image and confidence. Lack of confidence and concentration, people respond negatively if your clothes are not right. I am not saying that clothes replace your knowledge, skills or success. बिना content के आप वैसे भी कुछ नहीं है. Technical skills बहुत important होती है life में. So you need to be very, very strong from within as technical skills and content set. Clothes cannot replace that. But I'm just saying that क्या आपने कभी सुना है that people leave without clothes? No. I'm only saying if you must wear clothes, just wear them appropriate to project yourself correctly to meet your future goals. Because life में क्या होता है? आप कुछ बोले या ना बोले, at any point of time, even if you're not speaking anything, what is not in your control is you cannot not communicate. People will still make impressions. People will still take a projection. You will still imply something. You cannot control the communication part of it. That is not in our hands. Are we all clear so far? Any query so far?
If
Or are we all
anyone,
good?
if anyone has any query, you can raise your hand so that you can mute yourself.
All right. So even if we have certain queries, we can take it forward and you can ask me whenever you are comfortable. Moving forward. क्या होता है अभी आप लोग सब from your undergrad level, you finish your graduation or finishing your graduation, you're moving to the level of a post-graduation level or job scenario, internship scenarios, and so on. So now I'll give you small little tips on interview ready. Please understand that in life, you need to have a survival's instinct. What is a survival's instinct? Survival of the fittest. Who is fit? Fit is not just by mental health and physical health only. Fitness is also in terms of your fit between the group of people. आज की डेट में क्या है? आप लोग अपनी क्लासेस में भी देखिए, आप मुझे बताइए अगर आज की डेट में if there are out of your class of say 50 people, you have a batch of 50 people or 100 people, say about 20 of them are going for a profession called law. 15 of them are going for a profession, say you're getting into a scientist mode or something, or some of them are going for CACS, or you're getting into any other role. Do you think there is competition? Of course there is. First, within the class. Then, after the class, within various batches. Post the batches, within colleges. Various different colleges and batches. So you are basically trying to survive amongst a huge lot of population which exists in our country because they're all gunning for various similar professions. अब इतने सारे लोगों में से मेरा सिलेक्शन कैसे हो? वो कैसे होगा? So of course interview skills are very important. Of course you know contents are very important. क्या होता है हम लोग सोचते हैं कि if we know our subject thoroughly, then we can just sail through. आप एक बात बताइए, एक होटल में आप जाते हैं या आप कहीं कोई चीज खरीदने जाते हैं, you're planning to buy a phone and that person does not attend to you properly. He has the knowledge, he will sell the logic, he is a perfect salesman, लेकिन वो आपको ट्रीट अच्छे से नहीं करते. तो क्या होता है, आप भी मुड़ के बोलते हो कमाल है यार, मैं अपना पैसे यहाँ खर्च करने आई हूँ. I have come to this hotel to eat food and they're not even treating me properly. I've come here to pick up this product, they're not even behaving properly. I'm not interested in taking the product from them. Now he was fantastic in his sales and marketing techniques. So content, knowledge, super. But soft skills, sorry, pathetic. So you also say, I'm a customer. I am not going to pick up from somebody who did not give me happiness. Please understand, same cases of yours. When in the ocean of students and career-oriented people, how will people in various other platforms pick you and choose you because you are unique? It is not just on the hard skills. Hard skills to hai. That's why you're sailing through. That's why you're performing well. That's why all people who are approaching for this interview, they're all performance-wise, they are superb, but you have to be picked up. You need to carry a unique selling proposition for your own personality to be picked up like this red apple. How does that happen? Appearance management, grooming, body language, general etiquette. Any person should be interested in you. आपके अंदर एक इंटरेस्ट जागेगा तभी वो आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, तभी वो इंटरेस्ट दिखाएंगे कि आपके में कितना कंटेंट है, कितनी नॉलेज है, क्योंकि आपने अच्छे इंप्रेशंस बनाए. Very important. You know, Zig Ziglar always says, which I totally believe in, you cannot climb the ladder of success dressed in the costume of failure. Never. Now let us understand what is the secret of interview success. Non-verbal communication. What is non-verbal communication? Something which you do not say, yet they are communicated beautifully within the first 3 to 30 seconds, because people are creating impressions. So you have to be very careful in what you are portraying and communicating through your body language, appearance, and grooming, and etiquette and mannerisms. Moving further. Professionalism takes almost 86% in a secret of interview success. High energy, you should be aggressive, you should be high energy, positivity has to flow in, and confidence. That's the role of these three attributes. Balance, everything gets attached to your various other skills which are non-verbal communication. Can anybody tell me, if I talk about a percentage of your message, how much do you think? एक होता है कि मैं किस तरीके से बोलती हूँ, मेरे words क्या है, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. दूसरा होता है मेरी voice की sound क्या है. तीसरा होता है मेरे face के expressions क्या है. आपको क्या लगता है इसमें कितनी, कौन से सबसे ज्यादा अहमियत है और किसकी कम अहमियत है? You don't have to tell me the percentage per se, but at least you can rank them 1, 2, 3. What is the most important thing? Second least most important thing, and third least most important thing. Come on, shoot somebody.
Ma'am, the
First,
expression of our face
ma'am, the first would be your
is the first
expression.
most important thing.
Sure, all right.
Yes,
What would be
ma'am.
second?
Sound.
Ma'am,
Sound.
sound of our
Brilliant.
voice,
And the
And
third one
And
is
third
the
would be your
words.
words.
absolutely
words we say.
brilliant. Very nice, Surbhi and Shivangi. Now, please understand that your words are just 7% of your message. Sound, the way you say it in terms of your voice, sound, expressions and everything, in terms of your sound, it's 38%. And the expressions on your face takes away the cake. It's 55%. So it's so important in life to ensure that your impression, that is the looks, which is 55%, is in your control. Then you have to pay a lot of emphasis on the kind of behavior you exhibit to people, the kind of voice you carry, the tone of voice, the quality, and the way you're expressing yourself with gestures. That constitute 38%, and words 7%. So I'm not saying words are not important. It is important, but the rest of the impact is taken away by the behavior, voice, and looks. So remember, always listen to what people are actually not saying. Words is something which we are saying. Body language, tone of voice is something which is our behavior and expression. Please pay a lot of emphasis in your life to this, irrespective of the career you are getting into. So 3 essentials of appearance management: research, look the part, relate your dress to the industry. Why did I say that? See, when you go for an interview, you need to find out which industry are you going in for. उस industry का notion क्या है? What is the kind of methodology people follow? Relate your dress accordingly. You're going for an interview for a college wherein you're getting into medicine, you'll have a different attire. You're getting into a glamorous industry wherein you're getting into some kind of a fashion styling or a modeling, absolutely different attire. You're getting into a line wherein you'll eventually become a professor, your different attire. Please understand that, do your research. So few tips here: pay a lot of emphasis to how you say, what is the kind of gesture, what is the kind of body language, and relate your dress to the industry. You know, many a times when you go for the interview, people are rejected because they are overdressed. They become too fashionable for the kind of interviews you're going in for. Please do your research and then go accordingly. Body language. So your posture, your gesture, your expressions is what you need to watch. So एक रूल याद रखना, कभी जिंदगी में आखिरी दिन कुछ नहीं होता. It has to become your lifestyle. So if you're in the 3rd year, it's time. If you've already reacted, brilliant. If you're taking a watch, excellent. If you're not, you've still not lost the race. Ensure you start paying a lot of attention to all these things. So your posture, your gestures, your expressions, very, very important. Imagine, आप देखो इन तीनों में, a poor posture with, you know, the back coming out, a good posture with alignment here with chin, chest, complete shoulder blades to your hips, to your foot. When the alignment happens straight, आप imagine कर लो, जिंदगी में कभी भी आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हो, आप समझ लो आप एक तार में टंगे हो. The wire which is pulling you from top. So when a wire, which is a thick wire, which is pulling you from top, your posture would be completely aligned. Ensure that that is maintained all the time. No sloppy posture, always erect on your shoulders and a straight posture. That's what allows you. Why? Because then you portray as a confident person, a person who's interested, a person who is showing the confidence of even knowledge which you have. Now moving forward, when you go for the interview, how do you actually sit? You sit erect with feet slightly apart. You always hold your documents on your lap. Pleasant expression. You don't have to be a grumpy person. Keep smiling, but not extra smiles. It should not even happen that you're almost laughing away to glory, right? So gentle smile, pleasant expression, hands on your file. Hold your documents on your lap, sit erect with feet slightly apart. Needless to say, please, you have to be very careful. A lot of people say, "Arey, ye to pata hai." लेकिन हम में से कितने लोग follow करते हैं? Please understand that. Never ever wear any perfume which is very strong. Sorry. It should be just a deodorant, which is a subtle deodorant, which is which is just giving you a healthy smell on your body. Please don't wear anything which is very, very extreme. Little mouth freshener, because when you talk, it's always good to have fresh, complete mouth at that point of time. Professional look, well groomed. Clothes neat, well ironed. Hair is completely tied at the back. Your face, teeth, body look absolutely clean. Your fingertips and nails are clean and trimmed short. Your shoes are well polished. Your overall image is professional. That's what you need to do. Let the person not get distracted by the way you have entered the room. Let the person feel good in the way you have entered the room. Then they get interested in asking questions, right? General etiquette, you have to introduce yourself correctly. So when you introduce yourself correctly, maintain eye contact. Look always straight in the eyes of a person without scaring them away. When you say your name, state your full name. Not in the style of, "Hi, I'm Bond, James Bond." No. You have to come up with simple way of explaining your name. "I'm Kavita Bhalla." You have to wear a smile. Listen attentively, because you cannot keep asking the interviewer, "What did you say? I did not really understand the question. Sir, can you repeat again? Can you repeat?" So you're not listening to the person attentively. Repeat your name if it is required and if the need be, because a lot of times we have our names which are very complex or the surnames which are very complex. Speak it slowly, but speak your whole name correctly again. A perfect handshake. If there is a need when you need to shake hands, eye contact stays, your forearm parallel to your body, your forearm parallel to your body, a web grip, firm grip, okay? Clean and dry hands, very important. ऐसा ना हो दूसरा बंदा हाथ छुटा रहा हो कि अरे ये तो पसीना लग गया. 2 to 3 pumps, that's it. I have seen some people have a habit of घंटों तक करते रहते हैं handshake. वो भी बोलते हैं छोड़ दो आगे बढ़े. So please understand that these are very basic things, but play a very, very important role in life at each step. And I'm especially talking about basics because you guys are entering the zone, which is your first level zone of either a post-graduation or your career formation. These are little things. Ensure, when you have your proper web-to-web grip, when you have a firm grip, it conveys confidence to the other person. Keep practicing in the house till you do it right. Don't practice with your person who's taking your interview or who's giving you a job or getting you in the Institute for Higher Life. eLife. What did I say is digital footprint? We have become victims of electronic life. Good, bad, I don't know. Whichever way, it is playing a very important role. Are you aware that when you actually get to jobs or you get to higher stages, what picture you put on your Facebook, the way you portray yourself on all social media platforms, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, people make an opinion about you. Clean up your eLife. Eventually, people judge you by what you portray and showcase through the social media platforms. Please ensure You're all stepping from your personal life to a more professional life. Getting into a post-graduation college or getting into jobs or getting into internships is your first step to your professional life. Create your professional image. I'm not asking you to fake it. I'm just asking you to watch yourself, what you do. It's not just about 200 likes, 500 likes, 1,000 followers. It's not just about that. It's about projecting yourself correctly. So wean off from people who are negative in your system and stay close to people who are positive in your system, because you're being watched all the time. Because image, we all have one, but only few work to project and protect it, which you all need to do at all times. Very, very important. Because you know who's the most valuable asset? It's you. The first thing you have to sell in life is you. Does your image work for you or against you is a question which you need to ask yourself, because your image is your visual resume. Your image is most important in situations with people who do not know you. They don't know you, they will judge you, because that's how human behavior works. When the opinion of others is important to the achievement of your goals and when you need an edge. Very important in life. So simple 4 universal effects of image. The way you look affects your thinking. The way you think, the way you feel, the way you act or behave, and the way others react or respond to you. That's the 4 mantra. When you pay cognizance or importance to the way you look, it's a necessary life skill. It's about respect for your own self, respect for others, and you have to ensure, as per your roles and goals, everything is in place. And your reflection, or you present your image daily, your brand image, you have to work your image as per your future goals. So once you decide what your future goal is, the way you are progressing, please accordingly projection of your image has to be corrected. So my little suggestion to all of you who are sitting here, you could go to our website. I'll send this link on the mail to you, your people concerned from the college, and you could even check your image quotient. They're simple questions. Answer them very, very honestly on your own. You will get the answers there itself. Just fill up, you will get a score. Fill up this image quotient, you will understand where you stand. Answer all the 16 questions honestly when you actually do it through the link which we share with either Nilanjana or the authorities, right? So what is the plan of action for a college? 1, see, these are very, very important things. There's a lot of information on the internet. You could go on the internet and you can also get trained, or you hire ICBI image consultants to facilitate this training, or some of your students can also get qualified as professionals in our field of image consultants and soft skill trainers. What does ICBI do? ICBI is a company which is creating an ecosystem around wherein we are training people to become image consultants and soft skill trainers. And we are also giving services to people. Like for instance, if I'm taking a webinar here or a workshop, that's a service. But we also train people to become image consultants and soft skill trainers in their lives. No better time than now to become your own boss. I'm sure many of you, you have 2 mindsets. One is getting into the model which will lead you to a job per se. Another is becoming an entrepreneur, self-employed professional or a consultant, or something, starting something of your own could be your vision. Maybe now, maybe a few years later, because the rise of gig economy is happening. What is happening in COVID-19 days? It's a gig economy. Everybody is moving away from jobs and getting into a structured, instead of into a structured format, getting into a consulting or an assignment based work in future. So if anybody is interested in training and development business, because today training and development business is the only business which has low investment. That is, you just pay for the course and you start off. The need is there all across the segments and the strata. Beautiful part is the universe is who need you. I have colleges, I have schools, I have students, ladies, industries, corporates, anybody and everybody becomes our client set. Every single person becomes your potential customer. You don't face a recession at all. And a great sense of fulfillment because you're helping people transform to become better. This profession of ours, it attracts many women. And why is it so? I'll take only a few seconds to tell you that. Because we are born influencers and teachers. We, as women, are high on emotional intelligence and relationships. We allow work-life balance. हमें चाहिए होता है work-life balance in our, and we cannot be very location or geography based. So there is a lot of women sector, a percentage who's interested in this profession into getting into a training and development profession. So what we do is we provide courses in image consulting and soft skills training. You get trained from us, you get certified, and you launch yourself in the market. So why would anyone be interested in our company? It's something like, why would you choose a college if you do? If you have an opportunity to choose the best, you would always choose the best. We have a 10 years of experience in this industry in the country. We are the pioneers. We were awarded the biggest entrepreneurial institution, Asia's greatest brand, amongst the top ranked brands, even on customers' reviews, alumni base of 3,000 plus image consultants and soft skill trainers pan-India, over 500 companies trained, more than 10 lakh lives have been impacted through our workshops and consultations by our own learners and students. And the only institute and the first institute in the world to launch an online live platform for training. And how did it happen was because of the COVID times, we reformed and we restructured ourselves, launched an online live program for everybody so that everybody could benefit. These are various aspects of our industry, image consulting, soft skills training. Understand, one is getting into the field. I totally understand that. You're most welcome to connect with us and take it on forward. But remember, irrespective of the professions you choose, irrespective of the life you take in terms of your career, in terms of your future goals, you need to project yourself correctly. Get your projection, whatever you are from inside, project it correctly outside. Let people think good about you, positive about you, and portray the best. Remember the 4 A's and the rules of image consulting, and remember the small little tips which I gave you will come handy in your life all the time. Be good, look the part, and do well. Get your inside out correctly. So that's all from my side, giving you certain tips, certain impactful knowledge about our industry. Questions, if any, most welcome. I'll be more than happy to address.
Okay. So just unmute yourself and you can start with your questions.
Ma'am, what are
One at a time. One.
everyone should try to develop?
All right. Let's.
Will they kindly mute yourself? So, yes.
Ma'am, you said about team management. So sometimes we see that teamwork fails because of the reluctancy of the members, or they leave one by one. So how to deal with such kind of problems?
So what happens is, in team management, always the onus lies on all the team members who are a part of the team. Remember those times I was giving an example of basketball team. What happens when one player actually walks out of the team? The whole team gets shattered because that was the ace player who was doing it. Please understand, in team management, it's, of course, you're dependent on the complete team working together. So remember, in soft skills, not just one parameter stays constant. A team is held together when you have your interpersonal skills correct, when you have your attitude correct, you keep your team members motivated. So each team member has to motivate the others. A team is always won have no control on people leaving. So even this is soft skills, that when people leave, how do you recover back on a platform where there is a gap which is maintained? So it's a very, very, very deep phenomena of handling teams. In classes, when we are immature, we get upset. Damn, usse chali gayi. That friend left me, or that person walked out of the team. We were doing such a beautiful activity. The person walked out of the team. One is getting shattered.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right, Vishali.